This is my second time getting select boxes. First time getting these Prizms. This is gonna be my first video. I'm still not sure on what cards are good and what cards are bad. Been kind of doing a little bit of research. So whoever watches this when I post it, if it's good, let me know, because I'm gonna have to do some research for sure. I see people open these up so quick, so easy. I don't know how they do that. All right. Donovan Mitchell. That card looks tight. I'm trying to get more into all these card stuff. I started collecting a small amount of comics just recently as well. Went to my first comic card show recently, and it seemed like everybody has sports cards, but all the sports cards look the same to me. Like, I think I know, like, I got this one actually. I think I got this exact same one in my first select box. And I think I did a little bit of research. Like, this card's not that bad, I think. I don't know where the fuck I put my sleeves at. Ooh. I think this is a silver, right? LeBron James silver. Again, this is my first video. I'm not too familiar with any of these cards. Oh, I think I got this one too. Maybe not in this same color. Was this supposed to be a green one? This looks tight. He killed my Celtics, man. That dude was going absolutely off. Look at that. I gotta put these two together. I think this is supposed to, yeah, it's a rookie. Yeah, that's right. Rookie's got that right on top. Tyler Hero. And I'm not sure if the orange ones are supposed to be good or if the orange ones are bad. I was looking up like the rarity, I guess, on some of those. Again, if you guys know, let me know. And this is a rookie card. It's the Washington Wizards. So I guess these are my good cards then. Or I'm not sure. Do all these have good cards? Like what are supposed to be good cards? Once again, I don't know much about these just yet. Trying to figure out more, do some more research. It's my first Prizm pack. Oh, this is a little bit harder to open. There it goes. These upside down too. Yeah. Oh, this is tight. I think I like these Prizm cards a little bit better. Oh, these two are rookies. Klay Thompson. Whoa. From college. Are these supposed to be all college? Oh yeah, this is a college one because it's got this dude. How come this one doesn't have a rookie thing on it though? So that's not a rookie card then? Oh damn, Jaylen Brown. So this one's a little bit shiny then, so that one doesn't have that rookie thing on it. What's that supposed to mean? You know, I didn't even realize this was a rookie one when I first got it. Larry Bird in the back, no way. Russell Westbrook. See, some of these don't have rookie on it. Bill Russell, no freaking way. Yo, this one's tight. And then I already saw this one. This is my guy. This goes behind this for sure. Try not to show that back one already. AJ Griffin. So I think a green one's good, right? See, I don't know this guy right here. Justin Lewis. David Robinson from the Navy. So I guess I need to do some research on this box because I'm not sure exactly what I'm looking for, I guess, on these ones. These are rookie cards. I wasn't even looking at my screen. I was looking at that box I just threw over there. Hey, look at this dude. He is messing up big time right now. I just had this dude. What's that mean then? Purple is better? Ty Washington Jr. I think I for sure like these better than these. Like this purple versus this purple. I like this one better than this one. I think as I go on and make more videos, my videos will be shorter. So I'm just doubling up on cards right now. And I'm not sure what these sideways means. I've seen some sideways like this. I'm not sure what those mean. This one right here, Paul Pierce. One of my all-time favorite teams is when this dude, Kevin Garnett, Rajon Rondo, Baby Davis. And let's just hope for the odds I pull the original Splash Bros. Oh, I thought this was him. Isaiah Thomas, nice. Allen Iverson. So I don't know if I like that. I don't know if I like that I'm doubling up on cards. I was looking for the original Splash Bros, Paul Pierce and Ray Allen. Well, that's it for my first unboxing, first video. Definitely gonna get more of these. I'm gonna put comics on here. I might start doing a couple other things too.